Hello, you guys. Welcome to my eating show. I got to drink some water right quick. Oh, I don't like this lighting. Just a moment. Don't like this lighting. Oh, yeah, lighting a little better. Okay, you guys, just doing a few adjustments. Well, today I have a carne asada bowl from Chipotle. Give you a closer look. See this meat in there? Meat, cheese. I guess that's guacamole. Got a little sour cream in there too, y'all. Carne asada bowl, okay? So, mm, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? My goodness, it's a nice day today. Yes, it is. So, I guess I need to say my blessings so I get started. Oh, I also got me some hibiscus lemonade from Chipotle. Hibiscus lemonade. Yeah, hibiscus lemonade from Chipotle. You can't see the cup. Chipotle, okay? And also got my coldest water bottle. Yeah, coldest water bottle. If you don't have your coldest water bottle, please click down below the description box of the link of the coldest water, okay? All right. Now, let me say my blessing. Amen, amen. Okay. All right. Mm, mm, mm. Steak. There's a lot of cheese in here. A lot of meat. Mm, mm. Spicy. Okay, Chipotle. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Let's see what's in here. Okay. I see rice. Is that black beans? Rice and some black beans in here. Some tomatoes, steak and guacamole and some cheese. Mmm. It's a little sour cream. Mmm. 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 I love black beans are good. Mmm. Mmm. I need more sour cream. This ain't working. Okay. Give me some sour cream. I need some salsa. I'll be back. Mmm.
It's mixed in on there.
Okay, you guys, I'm back. I'm back. Hope I wasn't gone too long. Whew. Yeah, well, got me some hot sauce because y'all know I love me some spice. So, mm, it's not spicy enough for the sister. The girl needs some spice on that meat. Okay, this is that red chili homemade hot sauce I got here. Okay. Mmm. 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 Keep that thought. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. That hits the spot. Mmm. And they do have a lot of guacamole in here. I'm like, okay. I want a lot of guacamole. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Okay. Mmm. The black beans, the rice, and the guacamole. Mmm. Chipotle doing their thing, y'all. And it's meat all through this bowl. They give you enough of everything. Mmm. 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 And this is my first time having this carne asada bowl. Mmm. Mmm. And you can't beat that. That is good. I do need a napkin though. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh. That juice, I call it juice, but it's hibiscus and lemonade. Mmm. That's good. They say it's organic. Organic means all natural, with no additives and none of that other stuff in your food. Yeah, I do organic. Mmm. 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 That is good. So how your day going? Hope everything going well for you. Hope you're enjoying this beautiful day. Not too hot, not too cold. Barely warm out there. I feel good. Mmm. 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 Mm, this is good. Mm, mm, mm. I love black beans. They got a lot of black beans in here too. Black beans and rice. Mmm. I have to go over there more often. This is good. Chipotle. You're pretty good. Mmm. 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 I don't know if I'm eat all of this. This is a lot of food, but I will attempt to try. Attempt to try. Okay. Oh. Mmm. 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 I don't even got onions. I see purple onions. Mmm. 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 This is good. Mmm. Mmm. That steak is good. A big old piece of steak. Want some steak? Okay. Mmm. 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 The hot sauce gave it a little kick too. Well, that's pretty good. Especially when it's spicy. Chipotle food supposed to be spicy anyway. Mmm. 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 Still a lot of food in this bowl. Mmm. Okay. Yeah, still a lot of food, ain't it? Okay. Mmm. A lot of you guys don't know. I'm a cheese lover. I love me some cheese. All kind of cheese. Yeah. Yeah, love some cheese, y'all. And then they got different kinds of cheeses, but I eat it all. Cheese is cheese. I'm just beginning to like guacamole. Mmm. Interesting. Do anybody know if the avocado is a fruit or a vegetable? Which one? Mmm. Man, I look at it as vegetable. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Well, because of the color, I don't know. Mm. All I know is good, okay? It could be a fruit or a vegetable. I don't even care. Because it's just good. Mm-hmm. Well, this is good. You got plenty of rice in here, too. Mm. 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 Yeah, I have my lunch a little late, y'all. I think it's close to 3 o'clock. It's about 3 o'clock. I be having lunch late. Simple fact. I be sleeping all morning, y'all. That sleep be good. Mm-hmm. Watching the news and all this advertisement. Looks like we can be in another lockdown. A lot of states are already in a lockdown. Yeah, I'm just practicing. So, lockdown, what is there to do in a lockdown? Eat, sleep, clean house. What else? What can you do in a lockdown? Mm-hmm. Not much you can do. I still watch TV. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Cook. Yeah, what can you do during the lockdown, y'all? Everybody different. It depends about the skill. Mainly, I would be doing some crocheting. Keep your mind busy. Yeah, crocheting, sewing, cooking, baking. You know what I'm saying? Mm. 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 That is so good. Mm-hmm. This is good with all this steak. Mm-hmm. That is good. You mix everything together. It still tastes good. Mm. 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 I can't help all that humming and moaning because it's good, y'all. With all this meat in here, packed with meat, beans, and rice. A lot of everything in here. They really put a lot of guacamole on here, and I love guacamole. Oh. And some places don't give you enough of guacamole. You miss it. Yeah, you miss it when it's very little. Where is that? Mm-hmm. Mm. So what's today? Monday. We call Mondays boring Mondays, but today's not boring. Because of this meal. This meal is not boring. Carne Asada bowl. Mm-hmm. Everybody love them some steak. Carne Asada bowl. Carne Asada is steak. Mm-hmm. Mm. One thing about the steak, y'all, you gotta chew it up. Mm-hmm. Don't play around with that steak or you choke. CNC, choke on camera. For real, you don't want to do that. Mmm. The steak, you gotta chew it, man. You gotta chew it up. Can't be all bougie and try to swallow it. Oh no, you're being choked. Mmm. Mm-hmm. We're gonna take time and chew that meat. Mm-hmm. Even though, when you take time and chew your food, at least you can taste all the seasoning, all the flavors in it. Instead of just swallowing it. You're like, what was that? Mm. Mm. Hibiscus lemonade. Has a distinct flavor. Mm. It tastes of lemon. Mm. You guys gotta try that. That is good and mellow. It is so mellow. Hibiscus lemonade. Mm. Yeah, I had hibiscus tea before, but not the hibiscus in the lemonade. Mm. But that's tasty. That's very good. Very good. Okay. At least I know where to go to get this hibiscus lemonade. Mm-hmm. Chipotle. Yeah, Chipotle. They should not give you a whole lot of food, man. Mm. Ooh, smackalicious. Mm-hmm. Ooh, that's good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. So good. Man, this is gonna have me filled up all day. And I do not have to cook because I think I have leftover roast from last night. Mm. You know when you're locked down, food is life. Because all you can do is just cook, 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 eat, and sleep. You know what I'm saying? Watch a little TV time to time, though. You're locked down. All you think about what you're gonna have in your next meal. Mm-hmm. Yeah, what you gonna cook for your next meal? Yeah, you watching the clock. Ooh, let me get up and start cooking, y'all. See what I'm gonna throw down. So, Thanksgiving. Today the 16th. Thanksgiving should be in the next 11 days. Mm. Yep, yep. I don't know what all I'm gonna do for Thanksgiving. Mm, mm. I did think about ordering the dinner for that day, but you don't know who all preparing your food, and you don't know if they got the sickness. And I'm like, Thanksgiving supposed to be special, so yeah, take time and put my foot up in it. You know, that's what they say when you really make a good meal. You must have put your foot up in this food. This is good. So I'm like, yeah, my foot and my heel. Okay. So yeah, take time and cook a good meal. Even if it's just you, don't have to cook a whole lot. You know, as long as you enjoy it. Mm-hmm. Mm. You got a lot of guacamole in this food. Right, most of it, y'all. Mm. Mm-hmm. I'm looking at my shirt. When I first got this shirt, it almost looked black, but it's not. I think this is navy blue. Yeah, navy blue. Mm-hmm. Okay, that was good, you guys. Mm. Carne Asada bowl. Mm. That was pretty good. Okay. Ooh. Flavors. Okay. Ooh, got a little heat in my throat. Maybe it's that hot sauce I put on there. Now it's trying to heat up. I'm like, what? It would take my frame of thought. The heat. Okay. Yeah, that was yummy. That was good. Go over to Chipotle, you guys. Get your carne asada bowl. Oh, excuse me. Now I'm having hiccup. Carne asada bowl. I need water. Mmm. Ooh, if I was to do food reviews, I would say this food was lit. Okay, it was fire. So yeah, with the black beans and the rice, yeah, the onions and tomatoes and the guacamole, this was lit. Yeah, it had a little sour cream in it, but this was fire. So check it out, Chipotle, you guys. They got more than burritos over there. Check them out. Okay, so I want to thank you all for watching. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your evening. I should talk to you very soon. Most of all, please stay safe and keep wearing your mask to protect you and others. Okay? All right. Okay, love you guys. Talk to you soon. Okay, goodbye.